What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen mirror your laptop to Google TV wirelessly without HDMI. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your laptop screen to any Google TV you have without a HDMI cable, and this is going to work perfectly fine for you. Now to achieve this, first things first, you have to come over to your Google TV. And on your Google TV over here, I am using a Skyworth Google TV. But again, it doesn't matter the brand of Google TV you have, whether it's the Hisense Google TV, TCL, Sony Google TV, or even a Google TV box. What you just want to do is to make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. So go over to the settings of your Google TV, come over to the internet and network settings over here. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and also connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network if you're using the hotspot. And in that same way, you also want to make sure your laptop is also connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network that your Google TV is connected to. So in my case, if you come over to the Wi-Fi settings of my Windows laptop over here, you can literally see I am also connected to the same Wi-Fi that my Google TV is also connected to. Now, once both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network, there are basically two ways you can now proceed to cast or screen mirror your laptop to your Google TV. For the first method, you want to go ahead and open up any browser on your laptop. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. Just tap on it to open it up. And then once your browser opens up, at the top of your browser, just at the top over here, you should be able to find this three dots icon. Go ahead and click on it and then just scroll down until you find the cast option. Now, in my case, you can literally see we have the cast, save and share option over here. Just navigate to the left hand side and then you should be able to find the cast option. If you're using the Microsoft Edge browser, the cast my device option should actually be under the more tools option after you must have opened up the menu on the left hand side of your browser. Now finally, once you locate the cast option or the cast my device option on your browser, just go ahead and select it and your browser should be able to find all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop. At this point, you just want to go ahead and select your TV, but before you select it, come over to the source option at the bottom over here. Make sure you select cast screen instead of the cast tab option, then proceed to select the name of your TV now, and automatically your laptop will be screen mirrored to your Google TV. You can as well go ahead and close your browser, and this is actually going to work pretty well. This screencasting is also pretty fast depending on the processing power of your TV as well. And for the second method, what you want to do again is to first of all make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Now, once they are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network on your laptop, you just want to go ahead and press on the shortcut Windows plus K, and this will actually open up the screen mirroring feature of your laptop, usually on the right hand side over here. Now your laptop will start to search for available devices it can actually connect to, and basically once it finds the name of your Google TV, you just want to go ahead and select it from over here and you're good to go. But keep in mind that this particular method does not always work out for some Google TVs. So if it works out for you, then you're good to go, but if it doesn't work out for you, then you're left with the first option. Now, as you can see over here, mine has been able to find the name of my Google TV. Just go ahead and select it and you're good to go. Also, with this method, you can go ahead and use your Google TV as a second screen or a second display for your laptop. All you just have to do is to come over to the Windows icon at the left hand side over here, go over to the settings of your laptop just like so, come over to the system settings, and then you should be able to find the display settings over here. Now scroll down and you should be able to find the option to either use your laptop as a second screen or simply just let your Google TV mirror everything exactly as it is on your laptop. These are the two methods you can use to screen mirror your laptop to any Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.